Sicilda, the Jamaican sweet-toothed fairy. Sicilda, otherwise known as Sissy, is a Jamaican folklore fairy who is said to be soft-spoken and dainty, and has magical powers. She roamed the seashores because she likes to collect the shells and then wave her magic wand over them until they become as colorful as a rainbow. The last time she was spotted was early morning and late evening, buzzing around flowers in August Town to collect nectar. It is said that she has a sweet tooth and is even seen in trees buzzing around honeycombs. She likes the taste of honey so much that she worked a magic spell to multiply honeybees all over August Town. Legend has it that one day while visiting her favorite spot by the seashore, she bumped into a handsome fisherman who goes by the name Neville. She fell in love with his earthly appearance, and she kissed him and became human. Others believed it to be the other way around. When they kissed, Neville became a male fairy, and they flew away together.